How to find the channel ID of your YouTube channel. So hey guys, if you want to find the channel ID of your channel, then you need to follow these simple steps. The first thing you need to do is open up the YouTube Studios. So first let's open the YouTube Studio by clicking onto the profile and choosing the YouTube Studio option. Then this will open your YouTube Studio. Then you need to head on to the settings, and then under the settings you will see this option of channel. Simply click on the channel option, and from here click onto the advanced settings. Under the advanced settings you need to scroll down and you will see this hyperlink which says manage YouTube account. Click on the manage YouTube account button, and from here you will see this last option which says view advanced settings. Click on this and it will display you the channel ID as well as the user ID. So in order to copy the channel ID, simply click on this copy button, and here you can see that your channel ID has been successfully copied, and then you can use it as you like. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.